How to remove suggestions from Chrome in mobile. So before anything else, go to the App Store to update your Google Chrome. Make sure that you have the latest version of the app to avoid any possible bugs and errors. So in here, type in Google Chrome and make sure that this blue button says open. If it says update, then go ahead and update the application first. After that, go open your Google Chrome application. Tap on your display photo on the upper right corner of the screen. In this page, click on Google Services. This setting will then show, and what we want to do here is to turn off the toggle for improved search suggestion. In this way, Chrome will not send suggestions whenever we type in something in the search bar. After this, go back to the home page. Click on the gear icon beside the Discover word, then in here, click on Turn Off. After that, suggestions based on popular news and based on your search engine will now be turned off. So that is how to remove suggestions from Chrome in mobile. Do let us know if this video helped you out, and if you have any questions, feel free to drop them down below. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.